that's what we're doing here. We're going to go straight at the lights. That's great. No construction, no lanes blocked or anything. And let's make a left lane change. Sometimes instead of asking you to make a lane change, they just ask you to please turn left at the next traffic light ahead, and then leave it up to you when to make the lane change. So left at the lights. A little wee bit too soon. You just want to wait till these last three lines, the last three yellow lines, and you could go ahead. Lots of time. You want to try parallel parking with that vehicle?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I don't think they'll ask you to do the parallel parking today.
No?
No.
Okay.
Oh, they might. There's a car over there. Usually they turn down that way there for a 3-point turn, and there is a car there, so they might. A little closer. So just an arm's length of space. You can afford to get closer than this a little bit next time, but it still works from here though. Sure. He's just alerting you that he's there. A little tap of the horn.
Sorry. Okay. I won't do that, I promise.
Just once, not all the way.
Okay.
So it's like one spin around.
Okay. There you go. Okay.
And there you go. Yep, you got her.
Some people say, like, turn all the way, and then
Just
some
do it.
say
Just do it the way.
once.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, just do it the way you think it's going to work, because there are different ways to do this, so. All that matters is the end result. Looks good, you got it. Yeah, you got her. Yeah, that's all that matters. You got it, man. You got it. Good job. Show me 5 different driving instructors, and I'll show you 5 different ways to parallel park, so. So you got it, no problem.
Okay.
Let's take off. All they care about with these maneuvers is that you do care and control of the vehicle.